everybody. Today is, what day is it? Sunday. Today is Sunday, and we're all just gonna go out and get some breakfast at Plantation Pancakes. Bless you. We should be checked out of the hotel right now, but we're not. Andrew thinks that he's riding passenger, but he's not. That is because of the hurricane. I don't have my keys. You don't have my keys? I don't have my keys. All right, no keys, so ride into Focus. I don't know where my keys are. Well, they're inside, but. So, like I was saying, we should be checking out, we should be driving back right now, but we're not. And that is because all of the roads into Florida are closed. Let's go get breakfast. The Pancake House. If I order eggs at a pancake house, does that make me a bad person? Lee just going ham over there on his ST.
Unnecessary launch.
No, that's sick.
Oh no, you didn't take the side of it off.
Yeah, so you think it's a real GT500? I mean, I see the GT500s, but
The whole entire state of Florida at once. I'm not joking.
yeah, it is.
Twice
They
as wide
just
and it was
took the badges off the rear.
state. This is the biggest hurricane that I've ever seen.
So well,
It's very clean.
Mean.
Yeah.
Can we just talk about how this button that David Patterson showed me about is like changed my life?
Oh, he showed you that?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was
Check
hopefully,
check
alright.
this out though.
Oh.
Alright.
That's a mean drift tail tap.
Alright, are you ready for breakfast?
Breakfast at like 1 o'clock. Let's do it.
Took the Focuses.
I thought
Oh, George, just gotta make his own rules.
I do.
I can't help it.
So I thought Matt was having a serious
Don't tell me what to do. Alright, finally parked. Matt had to fix George's terrible park job there. We're at the Pancake House.
Wedges compared to.
What's the harder special?
Alright, we're getting 2 eggs, 2 buttermilk pancakes, or 4 wedges of. Oh, you get toast and bacon.
What
I'm gonna substitute that for a.
I'm about to
for
get
a
the
water.
harder special as well.
And just for reference, this guy
Second to the left.
eats like nobody I've ever seen.
Yo, what about
He eats a
Oh
lot.
my god, he ate 20 wings yesterday,
Big Rig
and the
breakfast
waitress was
breakdown?
like, "You really ate all that?"
The big breakfast.
Puts food down.
That was not that much more, dude.
And you get
Uh-oh.
3 eggs.
3 eggs.
3 eggs.
3 pancakes.
Right?
Eating like crazy.
Alright, what is this place and what is this place?
This place is called the Plantation Pancake House.
So for everybody that comes to Mustang Week, you need to come to the Plantation Pancake House next year because this
Or
is
just Myrtle Beach.
or just Myrtle Beach. This is absolutely amazing. Alright, breakfast over. I don't know if we're gonna use any of this footage. It's probably kind of boring. Andrew told me to vlog. Oh look, Focuses. Look at that park job. So, you guys, we're supposed to be following Lee, but we're having a real hard time. Go, George.
Oh, that guy's so angry.
We're having a real hard time trying to find Lee. Is it this one? Is it
it's
that
that one.
one?
It's that one.
It might
Oh,
be
no.
that one.
No, it's that
Did we just pass Lee?
We just passed Lee. Lee's turning back there.
Wait, no, guys, I found him. He's
Oh, it's this one? Okay.
Oh, alright.
Got it.
here. White Blazer said I support single moms at $1
That's a
at a
Jimmy.
time.
That's a GMC Jimmy.
Is it? These are the same truck.
Another day in the life of Mustang lifestyle. We're at a Christmas store. I'm so hyped for this.
I don't know why we're what?
No, like I am so hyped for this Christmas store.
Hey, lock your car this time.
So we drove by you guys like 4 times over the week. Sounds good.
It smells like Christmas. Wow. Everything is Christmas. Wait, what?
Talk
Wait.
about saggy.
Focus.
Turn
Oh
on the
my
side.
god. What the heck? Why would
There's
you,
a few more over there.
why would
There's
you
many.
want that? What are the other ones?
It fell off. There's, oh my god, that one. No bottoms.
No, there's bottoms.
Should we buy one of these for somebody? This one is my favorite.
Oh, Lord.
I don't get it.
What have you corrupt us with? He just vaguely flicks his finger.
Wait, you gotta leave it like that. You gotta leave it like that. Andrew's gonna look at this footage and be like,
hold on.
Don't even tell him.
There you go.
Smack hand. You just see my hand like that.
follow us on Instagram for funny things.
Let's make some gingerbread.
Oh, you haven't. I don't know what this is supposed to be.
Ow.
Hello, children. This is George Claus.
Okay,
I've come to bring boost to all of the little girls and boys. Boost to all of the girls. Except for you, because you're getting cold. Oh, you're getting straight cold. You too, John. And you, Matt.
No, I'm not getting cold.
You're getting cold.
Oh, dude, this thing launches. We missed it.
We got it. Kind of.
You missed the launch.
Oh.
This light right here.
I actually wasn't expecting.
Literally.
Dude. Oh, there he comes.
Miley.
It's so much. You gotta go left in there.
Left in there?
Yeah. Oh, he missed it. Alright, you can go left right up
I don't think Lee understands the hurt this thing would come that far.
He has hundreds of launches on this thing. Hundreds. Only in Mexico.
But doesn't it?
Shots fired. Oh my god!
It's so freaking loud.
So obnoxious. It's so awesome.
Would you say this car was disrespectful?
This is ignorant.
Ignorant. This car is ignorant.
I call it ignorant. You guys see the front.
Oh.
The front?
It's bad.
Oh my god. OMG.
Even have like a front bumper lip that doesn't go all the way to the side.
Like, what is this? What is? And then, like, look, each one was put on individually.
No, come on, guys.
And then
What is this? What is this bag?
Did everyone else notice the "Don't Steal My Car" steering wheel locker?
There's a steering wheel locker?
What the
In case anyone wanted to steal it.
heck? You can't.
Check out that stance.
Dude.
Pinnacles. Oh.
Wow.
I didn't know the brand was still around anymore.
Bro.
So I guess if anybody was wondering, we're at the mall now. We're really bored. Did anybody used to follow Andrew when he did Mr. AJ's Tech?
You can still go watch the videos.
Interesting to find the
still there.
statistic of that.
Gordon.
Yeah, Gordon. Gordon, we asked Andrew why we were going to this random subscriber's house. Like, this guy's probably gonna kill us. And Andrew's like, nah, I've known this guy for
I've
years.
known Gordon for like 6 years or something like that, 8 years, I don't know. We go way back. Although we've never met in person before this week.
Do you see the kid behind you?
Since the Mr. AJ's Tech videos, what?
The kid photobombing you?
No.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see it soon. Done.
Keep going, keep going.
I'm just holding this for Matt.
The 2 songs that Andrew knows how to play.
Alright, here.
Alright, that's what you got.
Here's a real pic.
The real guitars.
They have another stool in here? I can see.
This one is like, hey, if anybody wants to buy me this one, like,
Okay, George, watch out, buddy. This is the basic starter guitar song. Like, if you've ever heard rock and roll, everybody wants to learn how to play this.
good job.
We're gonna redo that.
Matt, you're horrible.
So we got a little distracted on our
Tom Sawyer and a
search
drum
for
set.
American Eagle.
We're not putting me
Well, we
messing
found
up
it.
playing the guitar.
There must be another one.
Matt, I bet you won't ride that.
No, it's an automatic. Still don't know how to do it.
Matt, bring it all the way up to 82.
Oh yeah.
All the way to 8200. Don't short shift it. First, all the way up to 82. All the way. All right, chill.
Oh, we're at 55.
Good, we're already there.
Wow. Dude, you drove pretty fast.
Driving the Magnum. We found what we
saw
needed to
meals in
find.
Thank you. Me too.
Mission accomplished. George, are you a sneaker person?
No. Well,
I like know nothing about sneakers. I've always wanted one of
strongly
these.
feel that like anyone can do it. They just have to like keep trying.
Just keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
Smart balance wheel.
Shout out TJ Hunt.
Aren't these things like illegal?
No, the ones that blew up are.
Oh my god, we should buy this!
Drift Stang? Dude, do it.
The drift thing?
Company, yeah, dude.
What does that say on it?
Yeah, honestly, it's not a drift thing. They did have drift RTRs at the show though. They had Bondgate and Junior RTRs.
Where are we?
Where do you think? Where do you think we are? Come on.
I'm trying a new coffee. I hope I like it.
Go get Starbucks.
Starbucks, dude. Give me an iced coffee.
I want a whoopie pie.
Give me an iced coffee.
This looks so good. All right, we got coffee. Matt drank his already. I want to go on this bouncy thing. This is kind of bad. All right, so left the mall.
Yep. Doing race car stuff
Got
now,
some
right?
coffee.
we're not doing any
Drift mode
stuff. Absolutely not.
Now we're going back to home base. Drift mode!
Notice how slow I went around that.
That spray, dude, it's fucking loud.
So Matt just informed me that the Turdzilla is ghost camming.
Dude, we need to do a demo of the ghost cam first.
Here, hold that.
What would a broken vacuum line look like?
Let it idle. No idle. Go show the back of the car.
Go what?
Show the back of the car. It sounds canned.
Oh yeah, it definitely does. This is the new cams that we installed in the Turd. And by cams, I mean something that we somehow broke. So, I'm trying to figure that out.
Found it.
Did you?
What is it?
PCB.
Ah! Yeah!
What's up, man?
Are you trying to figure out what that clicking noise is?
Yeah, so if you look, it's normal again.
That's what I thought. Oh, so it was just misfiring?
Well, it's not misfiring, it just had a massive vacuum leak. That
Oh.
pulls a lot of vacuum.
That's what we said it was.
Alright, perfect. I'm glad I was right.
Alright, start it up.
And I'm also glad that it
Now it's nice and smooth.
Already got that. See that? He doubts my ability to film. Doubts it.
Alright, and we got pizza. Alright, we're good.
We got pizza!
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As you guys know, we had some issues getting back. If you follow us on Instagram and Facebook from Myrtle Beach, I'll have a video on that. That was not a good experience at all, but I'm gonna have a separate video for that. This video is from one of the days we kind of stayed and, you know, killed some time, went to the mall and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring for you guys. From what I've heard, you guys do like the vlog style things and showing what we do. It is Mustang lifestyle, and I would love to be able to share, you know, what we do on a daily basis, whether that's doing race car things or doing things with our race cars or whatever it is. And not even race car, I just say race car because it's fun, but our Mustangs and the Focuses and whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you slap that like button down below. If you missed any of the Mustang Week content, go check it out. We put so much time into it. I'm also going to be making a after movie for Mustang Week. We still have a few more videos coming from, you know, driving back and all that craziness, and we have so much more coming with the Whipple and the Cobra and Turdzilla. We can't wait to get Turdzilla on autocross track. So guys, lots of good stuff coming, and we are always making videos. We're gonna get back to our schedule of a video every other day. That's what we can do right now. I did like uploading every day, but it's really hard with work and school. So guys, make sure you drop a comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.